Harv Eker once said, "Rich people believe I create my life. Poor people believe life happens to me." Those who wait for life to happen to them often find they have little to show for their patience. True wealth is for those who take control and seize opportunities. To build a lasting legacy of wealth, you must plan ahead and take action. Just as a farmer prepares the soil before planting, you must ready yourself for wealth creation. This requires a willingness to change your ideologies, mindset, and beliefs. You need to position yourself to take advantage of every available opportunity to grow your wealth. In this video, we'll discuss the best ways wealth is being built. Before we begin, please like the video and subscribe for more great content like this. Let's get started. Number 1. Always look for ways to earn more. Trading your time for money will never make you wealthy. Unfortunately for 9-to-5 workers, that's the reality. Having a regular job isn't bad, but if you want to be wealthy, you need to do more. Counting only on a job probably won't make you super rich or secure. What if you get fired? What if an economic recession leads to layoffs? It's risky to rely on just one way of making money. It's okay to have a regular job, but think about starting a side business to supplement your income. Over time, you can grow it to the point where you can safely leave your job and turn your side hustle into your primary income source. Find a way to monetize your skills. Create a YouTube channel, start a blog, write a book, or develop a scalable product or service. The internet gives you a big advantage if you want to use your skills to make a lot of money. Remember, there are only so many hours in a day, and selling them for cash won't get you far. Number 2. Know that wealth is earned and not given. Anyone can give you money, but wealth is different. It must be earned. There are no shortcuts. Even those who inherit millions have earned it through their relationship to the benefactor. Wealth isn't randomly given. It results from consistently creating value over time. To become wealthy, you must sharpen your skills to perfection and put in the necessary work. It takes a lot of effort, determination, and perseverance, especially if you're not born rich like some famous families. Creating wealth is possible, and even if you don't come from a wealthy family, you can strive to ensure you leave one behind. Number 3. Cut down on frivolous spending. It goes without saying that you can't build wealth if you can't control your spending. Avoid the mistake of trying to look wealthy rather than actually being wealthy. There will be a time to splurge on a brand new $200,000 car and enjoy a yacht, but for now, your focus should be on building wealth. Spending money on anything that doesn't help you reach your goals will only slow you down. This doesn't mean you can't have a treat sometimes, but try not to do it often. Reward yourself after completing a significant goal or task. This gives you a sense of accomplishment and a taste of the better days ahead. When you start earning more, it can be tempting to pursue a lavish lifestyle. Resist this urge, at least for now, because your work isn't finished yet. Number 4. Have a constant saving policy. When you can control your spending, the next step is to save. Developing a saving habit is crucial for implementing the next phase I'll discuss later. I understand there are bills to pay and commitments to fulfill, but it's important to set aside a percentage of your regular income. Here's why. Besides having money for emergencies, having a lot of savings lets you take advantage of opportunities to make more money when they arise. Whether it's a once-in-a-lifetime investment or buying a property at a low price, having money ready lets you move fast and do well. Being prepared to seize opportunities is essential for creating wealth. Don't underestimate its importance. Number 5. Put your money to work. For money to work for you, you need to have money. This is why cultivating a diligent saving habit is crucial for accumulating wealth. However, don't save just for the sake of saving. Learn to put your savings to work as soon as an opportunity arises. Instead of letting your cash sit idle in a bank account, consider investing in real estate, stocks, or other options that offer long-term returns. This doesn't mean you should take unnecessary risks. Ensure that every opportunity you pursue is viable and legal. There's no point in saving up only to lose everything in the process. Number 6. Your friends should always make you feel inspired and motivated. A wealthy individual surrounded by 9 friends of lesser means might end up with less money over time. It's like an eagle living with chickens. It won't reach its full potential. Instead, choose friends who are on the same path as you or are working towards similar goals. The friends you have are really important in making your dreams come true. Each friend helps a lot. Running alone might make you fast, but running with friends helps you go longer and farther. Choose your friends carefully. Don't just let it happen by luck. Number 7. Prioritize cutting your tax as much as possible. When I say prioritize, I certainly don't mean neglecting your taxes. That would be unwise. Instead, I recommend utilizing tax-advantaged accounts for your investments. Here are a few options to consider. A 401k lets you wait a year before you pay taxes on all your contributions. This means that for every dollar you invest in the account, you can potentially save up to 30 cents, depending on your tax rate. While you'll have to pay income taxes when you withdraw the funds during retirement, you're likely to be in a lower tax bracket at that time. A Roth IRA functions by taxing the money you deposit into the account initially. However, unlike the 401k, you won't owe any taxes on withdrawals. This kind of account is good if you think you'll have to pay more taxes when you're retired than you do now. Other accounts, such as the 529 College Savings Account and the HSA Health Savings Account, operate similarly to the Roth IRA. The distinction lies in the specific purposes for which you can use the funds to receive tax benefits, such as education and healthcare expenses. Regardless of the account you choose, the goal remains the same: to save money in the process while achieving your financial goals. Number 8. Learn to stand when you shouldn't. There may be moments when you question the value of your efforts to secure your financial future and that of your family. However, in those challenging times, remind yourself of how far you've come and the progress you've made. Reflect on past victories to uplift your spirits, as I'm confident you'll experience more of them. Encourage yourself to be the best you can be, especially when it's really important. Having a good spouse and supportive friends can help a lot during those times. As long as you're alive and striving, rest assured that you have the capability to overcome any obstacles or challenges that stand in your path to wealth. Number 9. Marry a good spouse. Like it or not, this is crucial. 2 heads are often better than 1, and having a spouse who shares your dreams and supports you in achieving your goals is a significant advantage. On the other hand, choosing the wrong spouse can be disastrous. Studies show that divorce can consume about 75% of personal net worth. In addition to the money problems, it can mess up with your emotion, leaving you uninspired to pursue your personal dreams and goals. The distractions of an unhappy home will affect both your well-being and your finances. Choose your partner carefully. It's really important to have someone to rely on when things get tough. This is key for creating a lasting fortune. And number 10, get a mentor. Having a mentor to learn from is incredibly valuable in your journey to wealth. By following their guidance, you can avoid their mistakes and even surpass their achievements. Mentors serve as a roadmap to your aspirations, helping you save time and effort. In conclusion, anyone can achieve wealth, but only a few reach the billionaire status because wealth requires focused action and unwavering discipline. Not everyone is suited for this path, as many prefer shortcuts over the rigorous and unglamorous hard work necessary for wealth creation. The fundamental principle of wealth building is simple: earn as much as possible while spending as little as you can. If you adhere to this rule and play the long game, you'll eventually reap the rewards of wealth. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to catch all my future videos. See you next time.